So I got this, what's going on YouTube? I got this Jeep Cherokee. It's one of the newer ones. I don't know if you guys know about these, but you know, the wheel locks, they've got these spinning sleeve on them. So what I had to do, because we don't have the key, is I had to weld a bolt. I had to weld a bolt on there. I know it's an ugly weld, but it doesn't need to be pretty. It just needs to get the bolt off. I already took this one off that way. We're gonna end up taking all four of them off. This was the first one that I took off. But as you can see, I've welded bolt heads onto all four of them. The guy that took these wheels off the last time, he no longer works here, and he wasn't much of a tech anyways, but so now I'm fixing his mistake. I guess that'll do it. Have a good day.